when you place an item on hold, this is where it ends up. It's organized by the first 3 letters of your last name, and circulation staff are putting items on here all throughout the day. When you place an item on hold, what that really means is that we go out into the shelves and find it, bring it back, and run it across our system so it prints this slip so that way you know which one is yours. Let's go get a hold. Got it.